Hello, welcome back to Slaughter Food Creations. Paulie here, and I've got a 3-pepper stir-fry recipe for you. Hope you enjoy. I know I do, so stay tuned. It's gonna go pretty quick here, so we'll go in with some neutral oil here. A tablespoon or so in our hot pan. Then we'll go in with our sliced onion. I've got some sliced garlic, a couple cloves. We'll let that go for about a minute or so. Okay, after about a minute, I'm going to hit this with some chili oil. A dash or two. Then we'll go in with our 3 peppers. We'll get that mixed in. Okay, that's been going for about 3 minutes. I'm going to go in with some Premium Dark Soy. After a minute or so, I've got some Hoisin. I'm going to go in with a couple tablespoons of that. Like so. Get that mixed in. After getting our hoisin in there, I've got a mixture of cornstarch and water, about a 1/4 cup, so I'll go in there with that. And we'll go ahead and reduce our heat down. Actually, just turn it off. I need a little more water, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with that. You got to judge it. I start out with a 1/4 cup and then add a little bit at a time. So we get our sauce where we want it. Alright, there you see we got our nice thick sauce and we're ready to plate up. I've got some steamed rice, steamed white rice, and I used basmati, but you can use jasmine rice. It's really good with this also. But we'll go ahead and get it plated up. Alright, there it is. 3-pepper stir fry with hoisin sauce over white steamed rice. Hope you enjoy and thank you for watching. See you next time.